Hello guys and welcome. In today's video, we are going to go through the installation and setup process of Streamtime Action Automation for workflows. Let's get started. Once in your account, navigate on your sidebar and click on App Marketplace. Next, in App Marketplace, use the search bar to search for the application you'd like to install. And when you find the application, just click on it. This interface pops up. And on this interface, click on Install and allow an install. Next, refresh your page. When the page is fully loaded, scroll down on the sidebar and click on the custom page of the application you just installed. On this interface that pops up, there's a series of very important tabs. The first tab is the documentation tab that has information about the application. Up next is the tutorials tab, which contains resources that will help you get the necessary credentials when trying to set up the application. Next is the setup tab, and this is where we set up our application. To do that, start by clicking on Start Setup. Next, head to your Streamtime account online and click on and hover on the settings icon. Next, click on your company. From there, click on integrations, and in integrations, scroll down to the Streamtime icon here and you click on connect. When that's done, copy the API key, head back to your account and paste it where required. Then click complete setup. And as you can see, the application has been set up successfully. Up next is the support tab, where you can create tickets and book calls with our support team each time you have an issue. And finally is the changelog tab, which keeps you updated on any changes that have been made in this application. And you can also receive notifications each time a change is made by toggling this on, filling in your email address and clicking on subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video. Bye.